Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carla. So today I did create this New Year's Eve makeup look. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I already did my brows and now I'm gonna start on my eyeshadow. So first I'm gonna conceal my eyes with the Born This Way concealer, and I am in the shade Golden Beige. Carly Bible palette, and so first we're gonna go into the shade Chai, which looks like this. We're gonna use that as our transition shade, and I am using the Morphe M441 brush. Go in with the shade Steph, which looks like this, and I'm gonna place this in my crease, and I'm gonna be going back and forth with the other brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Jode, which is this one, and I'm gonna put this all over the island. And then I'm gonna go back to the other brush and just blend it in. And then I'm gonna go in with my finger. I'm gonna do the same to the other. So this is what we got so far. Pretty good. So now I'm going to put on some lashes, and I am using the Makeup Shack Dubai lashes, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we got our lashes done, we're gonna go ahead and start with the face. So to prime our face, I am going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS foundation in the shade Barcelona, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it all over my face. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the same concealer, the Born This Way in the shade Golden Beige, and I'm just going to apply it under my under eye. Using the Anastasia powder in the shade Banana. go ahead and set my rest of my face. So now we're gonna go ahead and bronze up the face. I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. So now I'm going to go ahead and deepen up the contour, and I'm going to use the Morphe bronzer, and I'm going to be using in the shade Celebronze. Okay, so from blush, I'm going to be using the Milani Blush in Luminosa. And now I'm just going to carve out my cheeks with the same Anastasia powder. Go back to the eyes, and we're gonna add shadow at the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Joy. And I'm going to deepen it up with the shade Steph. I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Bowie, which is this one right here, just to deepen it up a little bit. Shade right here called the Bowie. I'm going to place this in my inner corner. And I'm going to place it in my brow bone. So I'm going to be using this CoverGirl Full Spectrum palette, and it is in the shade Blush Touch, and I'm only going to be using this shade right here in the middle, which is like a rose goldy. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply mascara on the bottom of my lashes. I'm gonna go in with MAC Strip Down just to line my lips. And then I'm gonna go with Anastasia lipstick in the shade Toffee.